Hello, everybody. Um, Disclaimer before we start. Today, I'm not going to be showing my face because I'm not feeling well, and my face is in a mess. Like, it's in so much mess. But to compensate for that, I'm going to be sharing my screen as quickly as possible, so you can forget about my face and just hear my voice. Do you understand what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and share my screen. So that I don't get bored, because I know you guys quickly get bored once you're not seeing the face of the person. But now you're seeing my screen and my face. Well, not my face exactly, but you know what I'm talking about. However, if you're happy to be here, happy new year, man. I'm also super happy to be here. I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God because you know we made it. We made it into 2024. I've not taken any trade all through this year. I've done nothing, including the hype around CPI and all of the others. I've not done anything. Um, let's read the comments quickly. Beautiful morning, boss. Happy New Year. That's from Nora. Good morning, Scott. Welcome back. Oh, see, I've missed you. Thank you very much. I missed you guys too. Trust me. And this year, I came with a lot of energy, and I'm going to make sure over the next couple weeks, we're going to have a lot of giveaways. I'm also going to make sure over the next couple weeks, we have a lot of, opportunities for you guys to grow wealth, not just collecting fish, but learning how to fish and fishing or making a profit from it consistently. Good morning, good morning. Happy New Year, Joshua. Good morning, Gabriel. Good morning, Patrick. Missed your class so much. Oh, thank you very much. Gabriel from Asaba. All right, so you know how we do it. Thank you, Gabriel, for reminding me. To every single person right here on the call, drop your location real quick. Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from? Drop your location in the chat box real quick. I beg someone should drop his Telegram link. I lost my device and can't access my previous Oh wow. So how did you find out about this call if you didn't get it from Telegram? Anyways, I'm gonna type the link real quick, and it's also in the description. You know what? Instead of typing it, just go to the description of this particular YouTube video. You'll see the link for the Telegram. Um, Good morning, Shay Fumi Abiyinka. Simple Trading Professor is happy to be here. I'm also happy to have you here. Emmanuel, Happy New Year. Patrick says get well soon. Thank you very much. Um, I've been so sick, but I don't need to tell the whole world about it. I don't even need to tell social media. They don't have to know. Anyways, good morning, Peter. Good morning, Happy New Year. Scott says coach is fully back. Yeah, I'm back like I never left. You know the vibe. YKTV. I'm back like I never left. So, real quick, what I want you guys to do, like I said earlier, is to drop in the chat box your location. Drop in the chat box your location. Monday YouTube live sessions, live analysis is back fully. It's fully back. We are fully back. We are fully back. We are fully back. Um, we are fully back like we never left. Happy New Year, Peter. Good morning, boss. A beautiful morning. To you too. It says Happy New Year. Scott says biggest bed. Yeah, from Ogun State. Simple trading professor from Lagos. Good morning from Kaduna. Oh my God, Ogun State, Kaduna, Lagos, Bauchi State. Nice. Lagos, Ojo. We're in Ogun. Okay, you guys should talk. I like that. Meet yourself. Jude from Warri Delta State. Nice. Good morning, boss. Okay. Sorry, boss. Journey from Delta State. Journey from Akwa Ibom, from Imo State. Oh wow, nice. I was in Imo State a few weeks ago. Mm, Same to you, boss. Oh my God. Yeah, we're back like we never left. Okay. So I want you to tell me real quick before I jump into what I'm expecting for this week. See, this class is going to be short because I have a meeting at the office and I fixed the meeting for 9 a.m. I guess the funny part, I've not left my house. From my house to the office about 20 something minutes, or let's say 30, if there's a little bit of traffic. But usually along the road I pass, there's no traffic. The particular route I go through. So let's hope there won't be any traffic also. You know. Um but trust me, I miss you guys. Like I really miss you guys so much. Joined from Shagamu, Ogun State. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's jump right into the real deal for today. Adamawa. Nice. Guys, we are touching down on every city. So what I think we should do right now is you guys should not take people should not play with the campus ambassadors program that we're going to be launching later this month. We're launching a campus ambassadors program. So it's an opportunity for those in universities to make a lot of money from us by being our ambassadors. Just the way I'm an ambassador for TenTrade, you're going to be an ambassador for elevator trading. Of course, it's not going to be free. Not like you're going to pay, you're going to be paid. Okay, you're not going to just work for free without any benefits. No, I have your best interest at that. So I'm definitely think of a way to encourage and compensate you guys. um yeah, let's jump right into what we're expecting. Let's see what happened last year. How did last year close? So I want to see that on a clean chart. Okay, I want to see that on a clean chart. Clear everything. Go to the monthly time frame. Let's see how did last year close, so we'll know what we're expecting for this year. Okay, that's the best way to go about it. Um, so how did last year close? How did last year close? We see something here. We see, you know, price broke below a strong support, which is here. So look at this. One, two, strong support. Three, break below. It's sort of making a retest. Um, Maybe the retest is extending for reasons that we all don't know about. But yeah, we see that there's a retest of that level before a continuation to the downside. So we already know that okay, we're gonna have some drops, and this is on a monthly time frame. Okay. However, if you're looking at it critically, the way I've taught you guys to look at the market, hmm, you will see an M pattern trying to form. Why did I call it an M pattern? Because the first M gave us a very long inverted hammer. If there were no inverted hammers, and maybe it closed just like a normal candle without sorry, without so much wicks above. If we saw that kind of closure, then I would have not called it inverted hammer. Are you with me? But I'm calling it an inverted hammer because we saw some kind of closure that we are not used to seeing. Okay, we saw closure with a long wick above, which means there is a very heavy bearish momentum on that. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this particular candle here. See the long wick, very long wick. So we are going to see price come and retest anywhere from the close of the candle till that week, anywhere around that place. Price will just look for a place to retest it before dropping further. And the best way to know that place is again top down analysis. Go to your weekly. Are you with me? And this I'm going to trade for this year. Everything I'm going to be doing this year is going to be top down analysis, top down analysis, top down analysis. I'm not going to rush into the market anymore. Take your time, make your decision in the market, and boom, cash out. Um, so if you're looking at it from this weekly time frame now, we are trying to follow the structure, okay? So based on the structure, we see this, yeah, and it happened twice, and price broke it, retested it, went up, now it came down. So I will not call it a retest of that level because it has come down below that level. However, um, breaking below this particular resistance is telling us that okay, there's some bearish momentum. Um, Hence, this move up will be in anticipation of a drop down. I don't know if what I'm saying makes any sense, but this move up, this big one, this one that is going on right now, is in anticipation of a soon coming drop down. Okay. Um, I hope what I'm saying makes some sense. I just hope. Because I'm trying my best to explain to you guys so that you can understand me and understand what I'm trying to teach you. All right. So again, top down analysis, we see that there is M pattern forming, and on the weekly, where is the M pattern most likely to come from? It has to be in the zone where we saw a very heavy bearish momentum. And where is that zone? This is where the bearish momentum happened, right? Yeah. So it has to be inside of this zone. This particular candle here. Look at the candle. Let me zoom out for you. This particular candle here. This particular candle here. This particular candle. After this heavy push up, this candle that dragged it down. Well, some people might want to extend it to this indecision candle afterwards, but I'm okay with the candle I just picked, because that's what showed us that there is bearish momentum, and that was in confluence with this, this what do you call it, order block, yeah. So I trust that zone more. Okay, I trust that zone more. So anywhere inside of this zone, we'll be seeing a bearish momentum. Now, again, you cannot pick that entire zone because that's on a weekly time frame. If you want to check how long that zone is, you might go crazy. Look at this. This is 310 pips. So how can you now pick a whole 310 pips to consider as a sell zone? You want to put your stop loss above it? Are you a joker? You understand? So if you look at it, it's not very realistic. Okay, it's not very realistic. So the best way to go about it is that candle we just picked now. Can we identify the the wick of that candle? But that's where the most sell momentum will come in from. Now this is the week we just identified. Look at this week zone. It's where the most sell momentum will happen. Again, top down analysis. Okay. What I'm saying, if it's making sense, I want you to put 555 in the chat box. If it does not make sense, I want to put 000 in the chat box. I want to know if what I'm saying, if it's making any sense to you or not. Okay. Someone said open up, but lol, I had light since now. My inverter was on. Say now open up. Nigerians, see people will not kill me. um, who's writing 666? Hey, Antichrist. Hey, son of devil. I'm joking. Who is that person rising 666? Come on now. Be so for real, man. Anyways, same top down analysis. So we come down to the daily time frame. Since we have picked a place on the monthly, we have picked the direction, the sentiment, and or from the monthly. On the weekly, we know where the pressure on that sentiment is going to come in from. However, on the daily, we're going to see something different. We're going to see an uptrend. Yeah. And that uptrend is happening because if the weekly and monthly are having retracements to the upside, daily is having a strong uptrend. All right. A very what? A very strong uptrend. Okay. Now, what do I want to do now? Let me go back to the weekly first and show you something. So what I want to do is to draw a trend line to connect the two bottoms of this. One, two. Just peg it somewhere. Okay. We'll use it later. Come back to daily. Okay. So on the daily chart, we see something interesting. Something very interesting for us on this daily chart. We see a strong uptrend. Okay. Now, strong uptrend is going to denote many things. One of which is if you sell now, you're a fool. When I say if I'm not trying to insult you, no, it just means you're not, very wise in calculating what to do according to the market's action because we're supposed to be reacting to the market. Do you understand? So let's draw out the zone where price has been rallying in and out of for a period. So for longest of time, price has been rallying in and out of this zone. In and out, in and out. Now we know we are in an uptrend on the daily. So the buy is going to be see a break, a retest, buy here, then sell. I hope this is making sense for somebody. However, this is a daily chart, so before that thing will happen, it might take some weeks. Okay, not it might, it will take some weeks. What's the best thing to do? On the daily, we have identified the zone where we see a lot of confluences. We go down to 4 hours. Gradually, it's all coming into shape. Okay, gradually, it's all what, like I said earlier, it's all coming into shape. Sadly, I'm not on my big screen. I'm on my bed. I would have shown you this on a bigger screen. Um, but yeah, let's make do with what we have. 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 All right, so now I'm going to consider this swing. Okay, this particular swing up. Um, and I'll look for areas that tally so that I can continue buying. Because now we know we're expecting a sell, but the sell is not ready yet. Um, so this is a good zone to keep for trend line. Um, However, price is rallying, so we cannot make a decision before price. We have to make a decision once price has made this decision. And I always teach you guys that. So don't ever try to outsmart price, okay? Price action is king. Price action is king. So I would like to wait on price. Okay? Because if you are trading in this zone right now, guess what we are doing? We are trading a consolidation. If you're doubting me, look at this. What's this? Price has been going in and out of this zone. Since it came into the zone, it was trapped like a price trap. Boom. In and out, in and out. It has not gone out. It's just in and out. So if you want to do anything, you either wait for price to come up here and you sell, or you wait for price to break above, retest and you buy, or you wait for price all the way from here. to drop into this trend line and you buy, or you wait for price from here to come down and you buy. So you have three opportunities for a buy, one opportunity for a sell in this market right now. Does not make any sense. Let me highlight the opportunities all over again so that someone will not be confused with my colorful charts. So um you have this. Either you wait for price to come up here and then you sell, um, or you wait for price to break above and then you buy. Break above the test and buy. Or you wait for price to come into this trend line and then you buy. Okay. The same rule of trend line bounce. Or you wait for price to come all the way down here. Okay, and then we buy. Because right now we are inside the zone. And you know me, I don't trade consolidation markets. I don't but even buying and selling at the edge and at the bottom, I don't do that. I like a breakout. When see how, with a breakout comes momentum. Okay, and I like momentum. So I think I'm gonna wait for the breakout if I do anything. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for price to break out properly. Um, before I do anything, I'm not gonna do anything before price. No, I'm not gonna do anything before price. Let price come up and then I'll react. So it is price acting and David reacting. That's why it's called price action. Oh my god, king of lines. Anybody better? No. Anyways, that's what I'm expecting on GBP. Let price break above first. Huh? Or below, whatever. But let price break out of its concentration. Then we'll buy price into this zone here. Okay? Buy price into this zone here. We'll buy price into this zone here. This is zone we are all buying price into. So we expect a buy of overall. Remember what I said, overall is a sell. But right now, we are most likely to have a buy before the sale happens. Okay? We're expecting the buy before the sale. And that buy is only going to happen after a breakout. If not, there is no momentum. And this is on the 4 hours. If you come down to the 1 hour, you're going to see pretty much the same thing. So it's better we stay on these 4 hours that we are in, JJly, and get a clear bias first. Um, so we don't just jump into trade, jump out of the trade again because we're not in a profit and repeat that cycle. Nope, I don't want that. We are mature traders, it's newbie traders and baby traders that do all those things. Jump in, jump out. I don't do that. I don't chase trade. The trade is chasing me. I'm a hot cake, you've forgotten. Maybe you've forgotten. I'm David Achom, I'm a hot cake. Okay? So this is what I'm expecting for this week. Breakouts, retests, and we'll ride price all the way up. That's what I'm expecting for this week. Now you can use the same strategy I just used, top down analysis, then market structure. You can use the same strategy for any pair, like any pair at all. Any pair at all. Pick any pair, use the strategy for it. It works like magic. Any pair at all, like I said earlier, the strategy works for it. Okay? Any pair, I'm saying it one more time. Any pair you pick, the strategy is gonna work for it. Okay? Pick NZD chef, pick CHF, pick JPY, GBP, and NZDZ. Anything you pick, it's gonna work for it. Pick your Bitcoin, it's gonna work for it. Top down analysis, market structure. Okay, so that's why I always teach market structure is king. Market structure is king. You guys don't understand. Of course, I have my unique strategy I use. But I only employ that strategy when I can't see something to do based on market structure. My strategy also has market structure in it, but it's just a little bit more advanced, and only my inner circle traders know about it and know how to use it. At some point on my live sessions, I've taught it for free, but I don't teach it anymore. Because I want you to pay for it. If you pay for it, you're gonna learn it. The reason you've not learned it, even after watching those live sessions, is because those live sessions were free. If they were paid for, chances are you're gonna put your damn head on that video. And if you put your head in the video, you're gonna watch it and learn. So someone is asking a very lovely question. What if it comes down and break below the consolidated zone? Nice. If it breaks below, wait for a retest and then we'll sell. Okay? Do you, do you understand? Um Wait for the retest. If it breaks below, wait for a retest and I will sell. If it breaks above, again, wait for a retest and we'll buy. Whatever we are doing, we have to see a retest. No retest, no trade. Someone write it in the chat box. Everybody write that down now. No retest, no trade. No retest, no trade. No retest, no trade. Okay? You're a hot cake. Agbabola. How much is money? No retest, no trade. That's what I'm doing this year. No retest, no trade. That's what I've been doing since 2021. My students know me. I always teach it. No retest, no trade. No retest. No matter how sweet that signal is, I will say a retest. If not, I'm not gonna go in. No, I'm not. Okay? 2024. If it's not top the analysis, I know they do. Exactly. I love that. By the way, Pristin is one of my very, very faithful students that have become a coach on the academy. So he's also one of the coaches in Elevator Academy. He teaches Forex psychology and is one of the best at it. And I'm saying it proudly. Okay? Very soon, like very, very soon, I'll start featuring some of my coaches on these live sessions. Um Very soon. But I want us to gain the amount of audience that we are looking for first. Last year I was not serious with this in terms of growing the audience, but this year I'm very serious. So my aim for this year is Telegram 10,000 subscribers. That's my aim for this year. Right now we are less than 1,000. And I don't know why I said because I don't share the link. I don't share the link, but let's see. I'll start doing that more often. Boss, does it work for indices? Boss, it does work for indices. It works like magic. Okay. No retest, no trade. No retest, no trade. No retest, no trade. Yes, sir. No retest, no trade. Joining from Canada. But Muyiwa Bangui. Is that not I know this guy now. Ah, nice. He go Canada. He go Canada. Someone say, which country benefit us more? Nigeria or Canada? Canada. Canada. It's one song like that. I don't know the song. But I heard someone singing it and I was laughing, guy. No retest, no trade. No retest, no trade. Um any other question before call it a day from my end? I think I'm done. That's a good 31 minutes so far. And I enjoyed every bit of it, and I'm happy that it was impactful. Abraham Freeman says it works perfectly for indices. Exactly, it works like magic. I'm telling you the truth. It works like magic. It works like magic. Tell me any pay. There's not even Bitcoin. This strategy works like magic. So if you can stay focused and learn it, bro, you're gonna make a lot of money from it. You think we're joking here? We're not joking, bro. We're here for business, 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 strict business. Okay, we're here for business. We're here for business. I'm not doing this because I feel like no. Okay, I'm not doing this because I feel like. I'm doing this because I'm gonna make a shit ton of money from this, you know. I'm gonna make a shit ton of money from this. That's why I'm doing this. I don't know why you're doing this. Maybe because you like the idea of being a trader. No, I'm not here for an idea. No, I'm not here for an idea. No, I'm here to chase the bag. I'm here for the Benjamins. Okay, and I'm gonna chase that. You know. So if you know, you know. The big ballers in town. We're not joking, bro. I'm already speaking like Canada. Eagle Canada. Abi? Any question, any question, any question, any question. Boss, I saw a target for this year, $10 million. Of course now. Last year my target was $10 million. I didn't hit it though. I swear. I'll never lie to you guys. I feel so sad. But I didn't want to bite myself, like get offended with myself. I got close to a million, but I didn't go beyond a million. I didn't even hit 1 million. I'm telling you guys the honest truth. I did not hit 1 million. But I got pretty close to it. But this year, 10x. 10x all the way. 10x all the way. 10x all the way. 10x all the way. If you don't do it, guess what? We'll set the same target again for next year. But I'm serious. I'm gonna do it this year. Alright? So that's what I want you guys to know. If you set your mind to it, stay focused, you're gonna do it. Okay? Someone says, "Are you kidding me?" Um, I joined late. You joined late. Of course, it's recorded, so you can always rewatch. You know, it's recorded. I want to end the class now. There's an emergency meeting I need to attend to. Um, but I'm sure everybody gained value. I'm sure beyond doubt everybody gained value. That one I'm sure of. And I like the numbers today. Let's get it up more tomorrow. Rather, not tomorrow. Next week Monday. Um, any other class we're having today, tomorrow, and any other day is for the inner circle only. It's not for the general public, you know. So for the inner circle, I'm gonna be doing a massive discount for New Year. And I'll make an announcement for it. You guys stay close to the Telegram, to my Instagram, every single social media. Stay close to it so you get information immediately. Information is published or is announced or promoted. All right. I want to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because you know what it said. The bottom is way too crowded. Okay. Cheers. Love you all so much. Blessings. Bye.